Well, I'm a dumbass. I don't have my ratchet, my 3/8 ratchet. I could use a little one here, but I was trying to do some stuff on that seat and I don't have my ratchet. And also forgot to bring the power. That's right. So I'm gonna have to go back to the car and get that, but I'm gonna go grab, I'm gonna grab all these out first. So it's real easy. You know, you can see most of the dash off on this one. Let's see. Of course, there's nowhere to put the camera usually. Nowhere at all. So I don't know what to tell you about that. I don't know what to tell myself about that. There's no camera, no way to put the camera anywhere. So that's the best I could do right there. And usually you got to move this and you bang that pin out right there. I probably will have to do that, but I'm gonna just try to take these 4 bolts out first. Little screw bolts. And it should just pop out. If the dash was on, usually it might be, I might not be able to get that out. Oh, and also you gotta take this off right here. Well, that didn't happen the way it was supposed to. But you guys get the point of it. And then you can just pull it out. And it should come out. If the dash was there, you would have had to remove this or put it in neutral or something. And then also, I need these things right here. So, I was at Pick and Pull Oakland the other day and I didn't have my wire cutters. I don't know what happened to my one set, but I got my other set here. And so, you just get a little screwdriver, push this little tab in. Then you can slide that out. Then you can pull that out a good length and cut it. So my other wire cutters were probably better, but it's better than what I was using the other day. So I got that one. You could use this for both sides. If you get it from the left side, you could use it on the right side. You just got to find the right wires. I'm gonna take them both out, because if I'm buying this Speedo, you know, I want to get these wires too. So there it goes. The second one, I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Sorry about the camera angles. I'm gonna just leave this one right here and I'm gonna go get some more. Let's do it. Because you know Pick and Pull isn't tripping. All right, here goes another Caprice. And I'm gonna take this dash out. This is a baby LT1. The dash is still the same. The seats aren't bad. $15 seat day. No, I'm good. Someone out there, they're nice though. If you had the right interior, it could work. Okay. So yeah, this one I'm about to bang this thing out. Got to. And unless this goes into gear somehow. No. Alright. So let me see, put this seat back. We gotta, let's see if we can adjust this seat so my camera works good on it. As good as I can get it. So I got my all here. You know, I use it for all types of shit, even when it's not punching holes. So it's a little, it could use some sharpening. But you just hit it up in this little hole right here. Right here. Bam. And then just hit it and it'll knock this pin out. And then you can pull the shifter off. So there's a pin. You know, that's an item that's like, it doesn't hurt to just throw in your bag. Have an extra one or something. Alright, so now I gotta get this screwdriver thing off here. Down here, I'm just gonna do that first. Just pop that off. Oop. Be careful, that shit'll cut you. Luckily I didn't get cut. So that's off now. Now we gotta pull this little black cover off, and it's should be 2 7mm. So let's see. Yep. So then that black cover comes off. Then you're down to the 4 bolts. It might help if you have an extension. Like, I don't have my shit today, I don't think. Maybe I do actually. Have it. There it goes. That'll make life a lot easier. Maybe. Because I don't have to bend over as much. Those 4 bolts, can you see them? Those 7mm. And that dash will come out. I'm gonna save all them bolts too. I just throw them in the bag. Now this one's gonna be a little bit more. You gotta finesse it out a little bit. Helps if you're sitting like this. Pull this off. It's just broken already, so I'm just keep breaking it. If it wasn't broken, I wouldn't have broke it, but it was already broken. So you kind of just gotta finesse this out when the dash is on there still. Be careful. Man, I might even drop down the column usually. I can't recall at this time. It's been a second since I've done that. But I probably pulled the column down a little bit, but I don't have that ability right now at this moment. I could pull this out maybe. Hold on. Let me see. I'm pretty sure it has the ability to come out without doing anything else. You might have to pull the column off. But every angle in this car is just like almost like it just wouldn't want to sit there. All right. This, I'm pretty sure I can get it out. Probably just take this dash off a little bit. Anything that helps me at this point. Since I'm in pick and pull and this dash is already broken, I might just break it because I don't have my tools on me. I gotta go back to my car. But I don't like to break shit, so I'm gonna try. But I think I would drop down the dash, the steering column, just to get enough room under other circumstances. Under this circumstance, I think I'm gonna remove this dash pad right here. I mean, I'm sure y'all would just break the shit. Someone out there would just be like, just break the shit out. We'll see. I didn't even move the dash really. I just flipped it over inside of there. It's just looking at me. You see me? I didn't really move the dash. I just flipped it up inside of there. You can flip it up and sneak it out. So there's another one. And, oh shit, don't break it. And then I'm gonna pull those out again. And then I'll turn it on when I get to the next one. This interior is not bad. It's got a couple holes in it. It's got glass everywhere. But I've seen worse. It's got some power switches. Let's see if I can tilt this back some and get this camera angle going for you guys. Cause this might be, I don't know if you guys want to keep seeing me do this stuff. What type of shirt is this? We did it. We did it. Growing green. I'm down with green. I like green. All right. Try not to cut the shit out of yourself is what I'm saying to myself right now. Probably gonna have to bang this out. Boy, did they have the trees in this one. Yeah, you can still smell it. Anyway, bang this out. You feel me? Unless it turns. See if you could turn the column first. If you could turn the column, then you could just put this bad boy in another gear. Skip one step, but man, I'm not mad at these seats. They got some rips in it, like straight holes, like someone busted through them. That's just got some straight up holes in it. But I'm not mad at them seats. So there goes that. And then I should just be able to loosen these for I gotta go get my power so I can turn these things on. Yeah, there's a lot of shit out here in pick and pull, so a lot of parts. It sucks it's raining, but it don't really matter. I didn't really have nothing else to do at the moment, so at least I'm doing something. I guess. Oh, there goes my camera. Just in time. And let's get this up. Get that off. And let's put this back down. And this out. Twist it like that. Oh yeah, twist it like that, it comes right out. See, about a third one, you got the hang of it. And put this in. Let's see. In another one of these before, I took like the whole dash off and took this whole wiring piece that goes like from both sides to the headlights to the computer and everything. So I was gonna put this dash in my car, and I just wanted it to hook right in because I thought I had all the stuff still for the 95, since my shit was a 90, had a lot of 95 parts on it. But I started trying to clean up the wiring harness and get rid of all the shit I didn't need, and then by the time it came to plugging it in, the shit didn't work, and it was basically just these things I needed anyway. You know, you could grab this ECM trip thing, which I'm probably gonna grab a couple of those. And then there's some other wires you can get, like the OBD sensor I kind of needed. I still haven't hooked it up, but at least I got the port, you know. That's right down there if you need to grab that. So there that goes. Bam. Got them both. I'm gonna put them in. That'd be nice if this one worked, because this is a certified dash. This is a real police cop car dash. And so I wouldn't be mad at that if it worked. Now we're just at the mercy of the mileage and if they go on or not. Right? Now we just got to get it to go on. And so let me grab all this. Screws, throw the screws in the bag. Don't forget your tools. I've probably done it a million times. All right, I'm out here in Pick and Pull. I got these 3 dashes. I'm about to test them out and then be about. But so on the right side, you guys know I've done this a lot. You guys watch my videos. But yeah, on the right side, we gotta hook up power to A5 and A6, power in the ground. But first we gotta isolate which one it is, because there's 2 wires in here that look brown, right? Those 2 wires are brown, and then the ground is the black and white. So we know which one the ground is. Now we just gotta figure out. You could look at them and probably see, but I did this wrong last time. So let's take this thing off and see. And it's just these little screwdriver clip things. So